Hi everyone, this is Maitri from Jenny Penny DIY. In this video, I am going to share one of my mixed media bottle art project. For any questions related to the material or the procedure of this project, please write in the comment section below. You can also connect to me using other social networking websites. I have given all my social networking website addresses in the video description. You can also write to jennypennydiy@gmail.com. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. That will really encourage my work. So let's get started with the project. For this project, I first got an old beer bottle. Then I applied some acrylic primer on the bottle. You can apply gesso alternatively. I gave 2 coats of acrylic primer on the bottle. And once the primer was dried, I applied some wall putty on the bottle. If you don't get wall putty, you can also use texture paste alternatively. Then before the putty was dried, using a comb, I created a texture on the putty as shown in the video. Once the putty was dried, I used a sandpaper to rub out the excessive putty from the bottle. Then I used my homemade alcohol color spray on the bottle. In case you would like to know how to make alcohol color spray at home, please check the video description below. I have given a link to a video which explains how to make alcohol color spray at home. Then I used some pearl color on the bottle. These colors gave a little shine to the bottle. Then to highlight the texture, I used silver metallic color on the bottle. Then I had to get some embellishments for the bottle. Here I am using a circle cutter and a cardboard. Since it's a mixed media project, I had to get some texture on my embellishments as well. Here I have wrapped the cardboard using a string. Then I applied some primer. And then some black acrylic color in it. Once the color was dried, I applied some golden metallic powder in it. Then I decorated the bottle using my handmade flowers and some of the embellishments. Then I sprinkled diluted acrylic black color using a toothbrush. Then I applied some silver pearl color on the embellishments and the flowers. And then I got the final look for my decorated bottle. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel.